Some of my friends who have children ask me what type of recipes they should show them. Well, I always say start off with something really easy like a snack. These are my soy and banana popsicles. Super easy to do and they're delicious. Now I'll measure out 400 milliliters of soy milk. This is a great dairy-free alternative too. You could also use almond milk for this, which gives it a really nice nutty flavour. So once I've measured that out accurately, we're going to add a few sweeteners to this. I like to add some rice malt syrup, and you can add as much or as little as you like, but I am going to add some banana too, so that's going to be sweet. So we just want to balance it out. I'm going to add about a tablespoon. Now for the banana. Now I like to use a really ripe banana. The riper the banana, the sweeter it is, and also the creamier the popsicles are going to be. So I'll just peel this banana, and if your bananas are getting really, really ripe, what you can do is just take them out of the peel, pop them in some cling wrap, and put them in the freezer so they're ready to go for these popsicles. All right, we'll just break that into our blender. And then cinnamon works really nicely with soy and banana, so a pinch of cinnamon can go in too. Okay, that's done. So now we're going to blend this until it's really smooth. Then I'm going to pour it into some popsicle molds, and then they'll go into the freezer. And ideally you want to freeze them for at least 5 hours or overnight. All right, these have been freezing and they're nice and firm, and now it's time for a taste. Look at that. See how it comes out perfectly? When it comes to 4 o'clock and you feel a little bit peckish, this is a fantastic treat for the kids and for you. And the best thing about it is you know exactly what's in there. It's only 4 ingredients.